Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with Discord constantly disconnecting or cutting out during use, stay tuned. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve these issues, so let's get started. First, let's open the Discord app and we'll adjust some settings. Begin by entering the voice channel where you're experiencing connection issues. Right-click on the channel and select Edit Channel. Scroll down to the bottom where it says Region Override. It will be set to automatic, but you should change this to a server location that's closer to where most of your members are. For instance, if you're in England and most of your members are in China, select a region nearer to China. Now, let's scroll up a bit and adjust the bitrate. Lowering it slightly might help improve the connection. Afterward, exit this screen and go to User Settings in the bottom left corner. Under Voice and Video, scroll down and make sure the option for Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority is turned off. Keep scrolling to the Audio Subsystem section and switch from Standard to Legacy. Hit OK to save the changes. Once you've updated these settings, close Discord because we need to make a few adjustments to your system. Start by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then, close the window. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the settings and go to VPN. Ensure that no VPN is connected if one is. Disconnect it. Then go to the Proxy section and make sure proxy settings are turned off. Let's change your DNS settings to Google's public DNS. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Make sure View By is set to Category. Then click on Network and Internet and select Network and Sharing Center on the left side. Click Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your current network and choose Properties. In the list, find and select Internet Protocol version for TCP, IPv4, and click Properties. Change the DNS settings from Obtain DNS Server Address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Lastly, let's check your firewall settings. Search for Windows Defender in the Start menu and select it. On the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Change Settings button to make adjustments. Scroll down the list and find Discord. If it's listed, ensure both the private and public checkboxes are checked. If Discord is not listed, click Allow another app, then browse to the location of Discord. If you're unsure where Discord is located, go to your desktop, right-click the Discord app, and select Open File Location. Copy the file path at the top of the window. Then paste it into the Browse section back in the firewall settings and hit Enter. Select Discord from the list and click Add. After following these steps, your connection issues should be resolved. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.